How to use TikTok refund balance. So in this video, I'll show you how you can use your TikTok refund balance. So the TikTok refund balance can basically be found on your profile. So to be able to check it out, go ahead and head over into your profile by clicking on this profile button at the bottom right of your screen. Now, once you're on your profile, click on this burger icon at the top right, and you'll be able to find the balance section. So the TikTok refund balance are actually the balance that you currently have on the TikTok wallet. So to be able to actually get a money on your TikTok wallet, you'll need to receive refunds on your TikTok account. So you'll be able to receive these refunds if you have actually ordered an item on TikTok and the item is not the same with the photo, or if the item did not arrive. So to be able to use your TikTok refund balance, you can go ahead and order items on the TikTok shop and use TikTok balance as your payment method. So that way you'll be able to use your TikTok refund balance like the way you are using your payment methods on your TikTok shop account. And that is how you can basically use TikTok refund balance.